Good morning, students. Today is 28th Jan and thought of the week is if opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. I repeat, if opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. This means if you are not getting any opportunity, you have to build a door. Now, students, as we have started division of polynomials, that is chapter 10, and in the previous slides we have seen some examples, some definitions. What is a polynomial, then what is the degree of the polynomial, how to solve some of the examples to divide a monomial by monomial and to divide a polynomial by a monomial. Now let us start practice set 10.1. So first question is divide, write the quotient and the remainder. Now here monomial is divided by a monomial is given 21m square divided by 7m. So here solution, what we have to write, explanation on the right side, and in solution part we have to divide actually. So 7m is the divisor and 21m square is the dividend. Now we want 21m square. So 7 how many are 21? 3 are, and we want m square also. We have m with us, so 7m is multiplied with 3m to get 21m square. So same explanation we will write over here in the explanation part. What we will write? We will take a divisor 7m and it is multiplied by 3m to get 21m square. So this 3m is the quotient. Okay, so we will write down this 3m over here. 7 3s are 21 and m into m is m square. Now as we are doing subtraction, so put a subtraction sign and cancel it so that we can get 0 as a remainder. Quotient is 3m now and remainder is 0. In this way we will solve other sums also. So second sum is 40a cube divided by minus 10a. Now again we will write the dividend part 40a cube inside and minus 10a as a divisor outside the division symbol. Now we want 40. Here is negative 10, minus 10. So minus 10 is multiplied with minus 4. Then only we will get 40. So minus 10 is multiplied with minus 4. Then minus 40, plus 40 will come. And a is multiplied with a square means a cube we will get. So 40a cube in this way we will get. Now what we will write in the explanation? Here is the divisor minus 10a is multiplied with what? Minus 4a square to get 40a cube. So minus 4a square is your quotient. So now as we multiplied minus 10a into minus 4a square, we got 40a cube, and we will subtract these two terms so that we can cancel this and we get as a remainder 0. So quotient is equal to minus 4a square and remainder is 0. In this way let us come towards the third sum. Now see here, minus 48p raised to 4 is divided with minus 9p square. Let us write the solution part. We will write dividend minus 48p raised to 4 and divisor as minus 9p square. Okay, now minus 9 into what we can get? 48. So here in the explanation what we will write, what we want that we will write here, and here is the divisor minus 9p square. So minus 9p square is multiplied by what to get minus 48. So here if you multiply by 16 upon 3, by 16 upon 3 as we multiply it, so here 9 is cancelled with 3, so what we get? 3 1s are and 3 3s are 9, and 3 into 16 is 48. Or what we proceed here? 48 is the divisor of 3. If we divide 48 by 3, we get 16. So we get as a fraction 16 upon 3 as a factor. And p square into p square is p raised to 4. So here we will get a fraction as a quotient. Minus 9p square is multiplied with 16 by 3 p square to get minus 48 p raised to 4. So here in the quotient what we will write? 16 upon 3 p square, and here is minus sign, so answer will come as minus 48 p raised to 4. Now as we are subtracting these two terms, so below this minus sign put a plus sign over here, so that minus 48p raised to 4 and plus 48p raised to 4 get cancelled, and here we will get remainder as 0. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 16 upon 3p square and remainder is 0. Understood, children? So when we get the fraction here, in that case what we will write? We will find the factors of 48. 16 into 3s are 48, that's why we have taken 16 upon 3. So that after calculation we will get minus 48. Now let us see fourth sum. Here also 40m raised to 5 is divided with 30m cube. So this is the dividend. So let us write the dividend inside and 30m cube as a divisor. So 31s are 30 we cannot take here. We want exact number over here. So when we get 40, here also we will write in the explanation 30m cube is multiplied by what to get 40m raised to 5. Here m square will come because here m cube is there, because powers get added, 3 plus 2 is 5. So m square will definitely come. Now how to write 4 by 3 over here? So what we'll do, we want 4 by 3 means we want 40. So this 3 is cancelled with 30. So we get 10 and 10 into 4 is 40. So here in this way what we have done, how 4 by 3 comes? This 30 is divided by 40 is divided by this 30, 0 0 get cancelled and 4 by 3 we get. So that 4 by 3 we have taken over here. So 4 by 3 and m cube is multiplied with m square to get m raised to 5. So what is the quotient now? 4 upon 3 m square, and here 40 m raised to 5 is the answer. Now as we are subtracting these two, so put a minus sign and so that they can cancel, and remainder as 0. Quotient is 4 by 3 m square. Okay. Now let's see the another sum. Fifth sum. Now children, let us see fifth sum. 5x cube minus 3x square is divided by x square. Now let us divide. First, here in the polynomial there are two terms, 5x cube minus 3x square. So let us divide one by one. Now x square, here we will get two explanation. First one is, this is the divisor x square. X square is multiplied by which number to get 5x cube, because we want 5x cube. So what we will write? We will multiply this x square by 5x so that we can get 5x cube. So this 5x we will write in the quotient part. X square is multiplied with 5x to get 5x cube. Now here the subtraction sign will come so that it will get cancelled and we get the remainder 0. Now minus 3x square we will copy down as it is. Now this minus sign we will put in the quotient part also. Minus. Then we want minus 3x square. So how to get the answer now? Write down in the explanation. This x square is multiplied by which number to get minus 3x square? We will multiply it with minus 3, and x square is multiplied with minus 3. In this way we will get minus 3x square. So what to write in the quotient? Minus 3. So minus 3. And x square is multiplied with minus 3 means minus 3x square is the answer. And here as we are subtracting, so this minus sign will change and we will write over here plus sign, so that these two terms get cancelled and remainder is 0. So what is the quotient? 5x minus 3 and remainder is 0. Okay. Now next sum, that is the sixth sum. So now here is the polynomial 8p cube minus 4p square. It is divided with 2p square. So let us write the division part. 8p cube minus 4p square is divided with 2p square. Now one by one we will do. 2p square multiplied by 4p to get 8p cube. So first explanation, 2p square is multiplied with 4p, then only we will get 8p cube. So multiply 2p square by 4p. So 4p is the quotient, because 2 4s are 8 and p square into p is p cube. Now here 8p cube is the answer. Now here we are subtracting minus 8. So minus and this is plus, so they get cancelled and we get 0. Now minus 4p square we will copy down as it is, and this minus sign we will put here minus. Now 2p square multiplied by 2 to get minus 4p square. So now minus 4p square is here, we will write down as it is. Now 2p square is multiplied with minus 2 to get minus 4p square. This will write in the explanation, and minus 2 is your quotient now for the second term. So minus 4p square, and here we get minus 4p square. So this sign will change and here we will write plus, so that minus 4p square and plus 4p square get cancelled and we get remainder as 0. So what is the quotient, children? 4p minus 2 is the quotient and remainder is 0. Okay, so quotient is 4p minus 2, remainder is 0. Now children, in this exercise practice set 10.1, example 7, 8, 9 and 10 are cancelled from the syllabus. These four sums are not in the in this year. This will not come in the exam also. So these are not in the syllabus, but we have solved it for your convenient purpose, and we will solve in the copy also. Okay, so till then we will see those sums in the next slide. Okay.